Hello you guys, welcome to this episode of Master Meals. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the Mojave. It's going to come in 4 pieces. The small box, you're going to have your drip trays. Bigger box, you're going to have your 4 legs. Down here, you're going to have your body. Underneath it, you can't really see it, but there's going to be the cooktop. So let's get to the unboxing. Okay. As mentioned, the 12 bolts you'll need will come included. This is a pretty big table, so you're gonna need an extra hand. All right, guys, so now that we unpackaged our Mojave, I'm gonna explain what comes with it. Up in the front, we have our 2 drip trays. Right behind that, we have our bolts needed 1/2 inch, and it's gonna be a total of 12. Next, we have our ashtray, 4 legs. Each leg is gonna have its leveling foot. We have 1 insert for your firewood, 1 inner liner, and the body for the Mojave. Last but not least, we have our 40-inch cast iron cooktop. Let's get to building. This is where the second person comes in handy. Best way to get the legs on is by flipping the body over. All right. So as you can see, guys, each leg is gonna come with 2 openings for you to tie on your bolts. You notice down here on the body, this is where we have to make the lines match up. So now that we got our legs on Mojave, we're gonna go ahead and flip this over. Ready? Which way do you wanna do it? Huh? All right. So now that we have our legs on, the 4 remaining bolts are gonna go on the inside. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now that we had these 4 additional bolts screwed into the legs, the next step we're gonna do is add our inner liner. The next thing we have going into the Mojave is our wood insert. It's gonna have this retaining wall. You're gonna want that wall facing up. The reason being is it helps prevent the wood from moving around the Mojave. So one thing to know about our cast iron top is that it's going to have 4 ridges on the underside. The top end of our Mojave is going to have 4 inserts. That is where we're gonna line it up to prevent it from shifting. Ready, Junior? Let's rotate it your way.
This way, no? Line over here.
No, I'm a little off. Last thing that's going on is the center grate. Next thing I want to point out is our drip channel. The benefit with having this is that you can grab your spatula, pull all the fat and oil down, pull it away from the fire. Which leads me to the next accessory that comes with our Mojave fire table. The next accessory I want to talk to you guys about is our drip pans. All of our tables have this drip channel, which leads to two openings for your grease to come out, which is where these drip pans come in place. The last thing that comes with our Mojave fire table is our ashtray, which makes cleanup a breeze. So one thing to note with this cooking top is that it has been cured prior to shipping. The reason for that is that anything that contains iron will rust. So during transport, we don't know where this thing is going to be stored. It could be moisture in the air, high humidity. So with us pre-curing the table prior to shipping, it's going to help prevent the cooking top from rusting. And that does it for this episode of Master Meals. We have assembled a brand new Mojave cooking table from the ground up. Everything you saw in this video is 100% made by us at the Outdoor Plus with 100% American products. Keep in mind that this is a patent pending design, but it is also available for purchase. You can contact us at the Outdoor Plus. Our information will be down below. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and we will see you on the next one.